Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, I am presenting a topic of mechanical properties of the subject Manufacturing Engineering 1, subject code TT1901 from Mechanical Engineering Department. So let me start with introduction. What is mechanical properties? Mechanical properties are the physical properties of the material which describes its behavior under the action of loads on it. Let we have see it graphically. Let we have take one object. If we want to cut the object, we have to make cut on any side of the object. Okay, let we have take one cut on upper side. Now then we will have to make a drill in this object, make a drill at a center. So the ability of the material undergoing any circumstantial changes with the effect of forces, either it's cutting or drilling. This type of property is known as mechanical properties. Okay, the next topic is types of mechanical properties. The first one is strength, ductility, brittleness, elasticity, malleability, toughness, hardness, machinability, and resistance to deformation. Okay. Start with strength. So what is strength? It is the capacity of material to withstand the breaking, bowing, or deforming under the action of mechanical loads on it. Or in other words, it's the ability of the material to withstand against any external force or load known as strength. Let me see one example of it. Take an object and apply a compressive force, tensile force, or maybe a twisting force. It is the ability of the material to withstand against any of this type of forces known as strength. Next one is ductility. It is the property of material that allows it to deform or make into thin wires under the action of tensile loads known as ductility. Okay, take one object, pull the object, and after pulling, the wire compress into a thin wire. The ability of material to deform into thin wire known as its ductility. Brittleness. Brittleness is the property of material by virtue of which it breaks without significant plastic deformation when subjected to stress. So what is brittleness? Brittleness is the ability to break down without any information or without any deformation under the effect of force known as brittleness. Let me see one example of it. Take a cube and hammer it, and after hammering it break into several pieces without any type of significant deformation or information. So such type of property of material known as brittleness. Elasticity. We all know about the elasticity. Elasticity is the property of solid material to return to their original shape and size after forces deforming them have been removed. We all know about the elasticity. With removing the forces, if the material came into its original shape, the ability of that material known as elasticity. Here a wire is pulled out, but when the force is removed, it retains its original shape. So this is the property of material known as elasticity. Malleability. Malleability is the property of material by which it can be beaten to form into thin sheets. Okay. The ability of material to make a thin sheet by applying pressure on it is known as malleability. Here one object is given and on it a compressive force is applied, and after the compressive force applying it will be deformed into a thin sheet. So such type of property of material known as malleability. Next one is toughness. Toughness is the ability of material to absorb energy and plastically deform without fracturing. Or in other way, it is the ability of material to absorb maximum energy before the deformation takes place. Here, one object is given on which a pressure is applied and continuously increasing. At a several stage, it can deform with absorbing maximum energy. So such type of ability of material known as toughness. Hardness. Hardness is the ability of material to resist deformation from the indentation, scratching, cutting or bending. Actually, hardness is the surface property which prevent it from indentation, scratching, cutting and bending. Here one object is given on which it's coated with a material or its surface. So its surface behave like an resist material which resists the indentation, scratching, cutting or bending. Machinability. Machinability is a characteristic of a material such as a metal that make easily drill, shape, cut, grind, etc. So it is the ability of material on which we can perform any mechanical operation known as machinability. Here one object is given and after cutting it we make a different set from that. Resistance to deformation. It is the ability of material to resist plastic deformation under the effect of any external forces. In other words, it is the ability of material to resist any of the forces which will apply on it, known as resistance to deformation. Here two support is given on which a material is placed, on which a force is applied. So it resists both tensile and compressive as well as shear force. So it is the ability of material to resist such type of forces known as resistance to deformation. Thank you student, thanks for listening me carefully.